lie.
Thank you. Okay, so remember the other day we were talking about Diddy's new defenses, and I was saying
how you retarded.
Don't use that word.
What?
How he was saying that he was incapable of.
What? That's what
Oh
he
my
said.
God.
I'm about to make you stand on one leg and sing the Fair East Side High song because you're acting up in here.
Okay, what is it now?
So we were talking about his defenses, and we were talking about how his attorneys are alleging in documents that because he might have been under the influence of drugs and or alcohol, he wasn't capable of cognitively thinking through anything, so he shouldn't be held responsible. And we were talking about how dumb of a defense that is because number one, that means something still possibly allegedly happened. Number two, that means that there were drugs and alcohol involved, which is what they were claiming in the first place, right? Now, I actually was able to obtain the full document, which is the filing that this exclusive was broke from. And I read through the documents, and my opinion has changed. I don't think that's dumb as of a defense. Will it work? Okay, because what the document and what the filing and what their Diddy's legal team's focus is intent. First of all, in a criminal case, the burden of proof is on the prosecutors, right? So they have to prove way more than Diddy has to prove. Secondly, when you talk about intent means that there has to be like a specific like malice or like, you know, I was doing this on purpose. I thought about it. All of that stuff. If he is under the influence allegedly, right, and they can prove at however way, which I think would be the issue, that he was under the influence of drugs or alcohol because he was just partying, having a good time, and whatever happened, but there was no like he's in the space of this is just a good time. We're drinking, we're doing this, we're doing that. I don't have an ill intent to do anything.
Just if something a freaky person, like
if something happened during that allegedly, if something happened during that time, it happened. But my intent was just to get allegedly high or drunk and have a good time.
That's interesting because I wonder what's more important in a situation like that, the intention or the impact. Because even if your intention wasn't to do something, like say you're under the influence, but then you kill somebody,
right?
So can I use that as an excuse?
Well.
People try to do that.
Yeah, like when people, like if you accident, like with car accidents, when people pass away, like you don't intend to get in your car and kill anybody.
So then it's manslaughter as opposed to homicide.
Exactly. That's why I'm saying I don't know how